Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have created this smoky eye look which is inspired by Rishab Khanna. आप लोग ऋषभ खन्ना को जानते ही होंगे. ही इज़ वेरी फेमस बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट. मैंने उनका IGTV वीडियो देखा जिसमें उन्होंने ये कलरफुल स्मोकी आई मेकअप लुक क्रिएट किया था. तो आई थॉट आई विल ट्राई टू रिक्रिएट दिस लुक. I hope I have done justice with the look. I hope Rishabh will like it. So if you wanna know how to do this makeup look step by step without using any extra tool, he was using a single brush and he did the complete look with that single brush only and using his fingers, and it was so smooth. I know I have not done that gracefully this makeup look, but still I hope he will like it and you guys will like it. So if you guys want to learn how to do a professional makeup look or professional makeup, so you can join his online classes. You guys are lucky because of the lockdown. Nowadays he's taking online classes as well, so you can join his classes and you can learn easily. today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you really want to learn how to do a professional makeup, I'll link down below Rishab's Instagram ID. You can check out his IGTV video for this specific look. And if you want to learn how to do a professional makeup and you want to be a makeup artist, then you can join his online classes as well. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you, Rishab. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.